In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Atome on Lazada. Before you begin, make sure you have your Atome card details ready. This will help you move through checkout smoothly without having to stop and look things up midway. Since Atome works through a card on the MasterCard network, you'll be using it like a regular card payment during the checkout process. Start by opening the Lazada app on your device. If Lazada asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log into your account before continuing. Being logged in ensures you can access your cart, checkout options, and save delivery details without interruption. Once you're in the app, head to your shopping cart. This is where you can review everything you've added before making a payment. Take a moment to confirm that the products, quantities, and any variations such as size or color are correct. When everything looks good, tap Checkout to move to the next screen. On the checkout page, look for the payment section. Depending on your version of the app, this may appear as Select Payment Method or View All Methods. Tap that option to open the available payment choices. From the list of payment methods, choose credit or debit card. A helpful tip here is to look for the MasterCard logo because the Atome card is processed through the MasterCard network. That's why it will work under the standard card payment option instead of appearing as a separate Atome button in this flow. Next, enter your Atome card details carefully. You'll need the 16-digit card number, the exact registered name on the card, the expiry date, and the CVV. It's important to type these details exactly as registered to avoid payment errors. Double-check everything before moving on, especially the card number and expiry date, since even a small mistake can cause the transaction to fail. If you see an option to save the card for future purchases, you can check that box if you'd like faster checkout next time. This is optional, so only enable it if you're comfortable saving your card on the device or account you're using. After that, tap Place Order. Once you do, Lazada may redirect you to a secure verification step. Complete the 3D secure authentication by entering the one-time password sent to your Atome registered mobile number. This extra verification helps protect your payment and confirm that the transaction is authorized by you. After the OTP is verified successfully, your order should be processed. And that's how to pay with Atome on Lazada.